can't watch this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop. Well, why don't they get in the ring and prove it, huh?
That's what they're doing right now, Corey.
Well, good. Let's see what they've got then.
Some have called this superstar a bit too intense, and as we can already see from the look in his eyes, there's a reason why.
In this business, intensity often breeds success, and he is well aware of that.
He's hoping that focus and drive really propel him to success.
He's taking on a guy that's looking to put him in his place here tonight. This guy's been saying all week how he's going to prove a point in this match tonight.
Gouging at whatever they can.
That showed a complete lack of respect for your competition and for our sport.
A lot of tension placed on that leg. It's going to be hard to stand.
Gets lifted into position.
Just smashing the face hard there.
Oh, a knee. Lights out.
Leaning against the turnbuckle now.
Manages to reverse it. That hurt.
No signs of respect with that one.
He goes for the quick pin attempt.
And he doesn't stay down for long. He was down, but he certainly wasn't out.
Oh, a merciless strike.
Oh, and he manages to reverse.
Sidewalk slam! Almost drove him through the ring. Oh, this is just too far. Get some control in there.
And it looks like they have no problem bending the rules there.
Going into the parts of the playbook others would avoid.
And a series of vicious stomps.
Just putting the boots to him, as they say. That was some pure ruthlessness there, plain and simple. Caught with that bad body drop. Ooh.
Saw it coming and went for the defensive headbutt. With authority. Rapid fire knife edge chops.
And a jab for the exclamation.
Look at this. This can't be good. Driving face first. And he's taking on a lot of offense here, guys.
Time for some quick thinking on his part.
Counter. Saw it coming. He's able to shut down.
And now he's looking to lock in this submission.
Remarkable pout. And does he? Yes, he counters. I can't believe he got out of that.
Caught with a jump.
And look at this.
Snapping the neck. He might have sealed both their fates here.
Into the cover. Oh, he gets the shoulder up before 3.
I have no idea how he pulled that off without a second to spare.
It must be demoralizing knowing you've unleashed your best shot on your opponent to no avail.
Getting back to his feet, but might want to reconsider. Stiff elbow will break that up.
A punch right to the face.
Using the head and set flying.
Cold with a clothesline.
Back suplex, no! Driven down. Oh no, trapping the arm. Vicious stomps to the hand.
He looks absolutely gassed here.
This could be the defining moment of this match for him. What does he do now?
Oof! Knee directly to the breadbasket.
Yokes up their opponent. Driven down with a sidewalk slam. Ooh. Here we go again.
Uh-oh, he's able to reverse it. Not a good spot to be in.
Set down hard.
And this is just a vulgar display of ruthlessness. My God, enough!
Oh, he's calling for it.
Oh, right into a counter.
From the first bell, these men have been unleashing on each other.
Neither one of them holding back.
Quick maneuvering, managing to avoid that bit of offense.
Oh, man.
Nasty stomp of the arm.
Oh, in my book, that is some creative offense there. Oh, sent straight into those steel steps. The force and malice behind that were just on another level.
Bam!
Forks the move by throwing an elbow into the midsection. Gutbuster.
I get it. He needs to stop trying to be cute.
Finally ends it, and all the bloodshed, perhaps worth it now.
Here is your winner,
A big loss after that count out.
I hate a count out. I feel cheated, and I know the WWE Universe feels cheated.